Hey guys, today is October 26th. Let's do an unboxing video of components for the spare K24 motor that I have. Today's the 26th of October. I have yet to update the video of taking off the head, but by the time you guys see this video, you guys would have seen me info on this motor and all that good stuff. So I'm not going to go into much detail about that because that will be in previous videos. But this is a box of goodies from Jeff at Revline. The guy's great. I'm going to post his Facebook page down in the description box, and his Facebook page and the store link will be down in the description box. I've been ordering all my Honda stuff to him. He's very familiar with the K series. He's a great guy. He's helped me get a lot of parts for the Integra. So that will be somebody I recommend. That's definitely somebody I recommend. So I can't remember. I ordered, I think this is a $400 box of stuff that I ordered. There's still other parts that I have that I haven't showed you guys yet. So that's the inside. Lots of OEM parts that I had to order for this here. Okay, so let's go ahead and... Oh, this is just packaging. My bad. I thought there was stuff in it. Let me see. Packaging. It's kind of funny because I think I could use these when I ship out the grounding kits that I do for people, so that saves me a little bit. We'll get into it. Another one. Alright, so start with this. Trying to think. The metal, I think, is the exhaust side gasket between the head and the motor. So the exhaust gasket, and I believe this one is the, let me get my light going. This one is the intake side, the intake gasket. Intake manifold gasket, there you go. Okay, I ordered that. I ordered a crankshaft seal. Got that ordered. This is for the valve stem seals. I ordered the Skunk 2 Vitron valve stem seals. So these are Skunk 2. This is for the head. My friend that is working on getting that cleaned up, he recommended that I get these replaced. I saw these on Jeff's website, Revline's website, and I asked him to add these to the list. So they are now added to my list. That's what's up. Jeff sent a Twinkie. I'll be eating this in a little bit. Appreciate the snack. He always sends a snack. OEM timing guide. Ordered both of them. If you guys saw in the video of taking off the head, you can see that they're all super crusty looking, just old. Supposedly it's a 150,000 mile motor. The top timing guide part that sits up top. Now, I will post the part numbers for everything, for all these parts, in the description box as well. But again, if you guys need these OEM parts, message Jeff. Email him from his website. Do what you have to do to get in contact with him. He's a great guy. The timing chain slipped out of its box. New timing chain. And I already have a timing tensioner. I ordered that last time from him. I have ARP head studs from him, and then I have a Velcro head gasket from O'Reilly's that I plan on using on this motor. I'm pretty sure I'll be okay with it. There's an O-ring and the timing cover. You'll know when you pull off the timing cover that there's some kind of O-ring within it on the block. So there it is. Again, I'll post the part numbers. This is the crankshaft seal. I'm trying to think, this is the rear seal. So behind the flywheel. Pretty positive I'm thinking of that right. Pretty positive. And then the last thing I ordered was the top timing guide bolt, which goes on this one. I ordered a new top bolt. I didn't like the one that I removed, so I ordered a new bolt. I felt like this one got stripped out, so I ordered a new one. I almost have everything to put this together. I think I might now. I just gotta get the head back. I gotta get those valve stem seals out to my friend at Racer's Edge in Tucson, Arizona. That's the shop that will be cleaning up the head and decking it. So it's gonna look like a brand new head. I'm trying to think. I think that's it. I have everything. All I gotta do is get the Gallant running 100. Next weekend, November 3rd, is a Cash Days event. It's $50 buy-in for the half mile, or for the quarter mile and 1/8. So I'm going to enter the Gallant into that. Hopefully come out on top. But by the time you guys see this video, it's probably going to be late November, December. But at least you guys will know what's coming up. But yeah, again, thanks Jeff Revline. Good guy. I highly recommend ordering parts through him. Other than that, I think that's it, guys. I gotta get these out to my buddy, so I could get those, so I could get the head all nicely finished up. But other than that, guys, that's about it. So gaskets. Also, this is the, I think this is the Hondata Intake Manifold gasket, something along those lines. I'm pretty sure. I think. Yeah. So I'm stoked. The Integra probably won't be as fast because it won't have a built head, or I should say semi-built head anymore. But you know what? I probably haven't felt the full potential of the motor to begin with. So it should still feel about the same, if not a little slower. But that's it, guys. That's it for this unboxing video. Lots of OEM parts. And again, Jeff from Revline. Check him out. He's a good guy. I highly recommend people to go to him. But pretty soon, this guy will be in my car. There are still a few parts I want to get, but I need your guys' support. Like, share the video, subscribe. Buy grounding kits. Those do help me. I've been putting a lot of money into these cars lately. I've been trying to bring up this YouTube page. So please like, share, subscribe, and stick with me, because these cars are just going to keep improving from this point on. So there's no going backwards. But thanks, guys. Till next time, I don't know what's coming up next for the Integra. Hopefully taking it apart, or actually more parts. There's actually more parts for the Integra, and something I have to do to this bottom end. So, like I said, stay tuned, and we'll see what the next video brings. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it.